徒手爬上13000尺高山，一躍而下。佢就係亡命冒險家38歲美國人波特啦。前年夏天，佢徒手爬上13000尺高嘅瑞士艾格爾山。
Thing that I'm getting out of pushing my limits is that I turn impossible to possible. I turn something I haven't done to something I'm doing.
佢話唔會壓抑住恐懼，只會感受恐懼，再突破自己。除咗徒手征服艾格爾山，再跳傘離開，亦都試過着住有翼嘅跳傘衣特訓。
The main advantage of the wingsuit is that it's giving you wings like the flying squirrel has, increases your forward speed, and then you can outfly hillsides and stuff, and you can fly for a minute on some.
佢嘅降傘得6磅重，輕一般降傘至少一半，所以孭住佢攀石都輕鬆啲。除咗跳傘，佢又中意喺高空行繩索㗎，做出超危險動作添。
You know, instead of dying, I'm flying. For me, a big door is opened, and I'm seeing the world now through different eyes.